Hi everyone. So our team basically, or our group basically, we consider more like a national level, right? So we tap into the raw power of NS. So we start at, you know, you guys, when you all go to like NS, and then they'll see you guys all in the auditorium, and then they'll say, hey, we'll sell you the Aviva, we'll sell you guys like Safra membership, right? So why not we step in and also promote, you know, say, hey, who is interested in AI, right? We get people to be interested, and then from there, we possibly could then arrange a pipeline where they could either study AI on their own time after their support duties, or either that after their NS, they will then come to join us. Or maybe let's say if they have to go to universities, then probably we can streamline, we can set up a pipeline down for AI internship program. Yeah, so there are a few channels or possibilities that we can consider from here. The second thing is new hires. So based on some conversations that I have, or maybe some of the team is considered, when companies they onboard new hires, they often also have to go through a very lengthy process of training and everything. And if the company is already vested in learning AI, adopting AI into its existing infrastructure, why not mold their onboarding program to include the AI program? So the onboarding program could be like a 6 months thing, right? And then 3 months, the new employees will then be able to learn all the different AI skills, and of course they get to work on the actual project that the company will be involved in. So in that sense, we will have a seamless transition or integration of actually the employees onboarding the company, as well as also providing so-called utilities or benefits in terms of like the AI capabilities and experience. Then lastly also, we'll talk about teams who want to go through digital transformation. So these are teams who already have a vested interest, they are already very interested in joining or learning about AI. This is something, another customer segment that we can target. So in terms of value propositions, like especially for like onboarding new hires, seamless process, integration, right? You don't need to have a separate 6 months for the companies to say, hey, I need to send my employees to come and do the training itself. They can do the training and onboard at the same time. Right? Then other things like increasing productivity, and also it's a legitimate certification. So if you guys onboard NUS and you have a training, right, then they give you NUS cert at the end. It's not very useful. But in this case, we give them the NUS cert, which is of course has real value. Yeah. So for the customer relationships in the channels, I think these are quite straightforward. Basically, we want to foster a collaborative environment. We want to make sure that, so it's not really so much a customer, but more of a collaborative space with recurring clients, etc. And also, yeah, for key resources wise, definitely we need a lot of manpower, so that will then determine like we have a lot of mentors, PMs involved, and definitely the support and ops stuff. And I think a very key point here also is things like having the capability to work from home, and also having the shadow buses, because we're now going to be based in NTU. And definitely the very straightforward stuff like compute, your data, connectivity and budget for other resources. Then lastly, key partnerships, very straightforward. Definitely we've been there for years, or basically anyone willing to work with us and take a lot of money. Yeah, so we are open to that. Thank you.